You're welcome in this session. I am still Raymond, Mathematics O-Level. Last time we had just introduced the formula for getting the gradient of the line. As I told you, before you get the equation of the line, you have to first get the what? The gradient. Now, I'm going to introduce for you and I give the example. The first example is example number 1. The first example, they can set for you and they say, find the equation of the straight line. The equation of the straight line passing through points A, -1, 2, and B, -2, -3. Now, for you to get the equation of the straight line, what do you have to first do? As I told you, you have to first get the gradient. Because we all know that the equation of the straight line is given as y equal to mx plus c. X and y are coordinates. M is a gradient. C is a y-intercept. We have to first get the gradient. For us to get the gradient of the line AB, as I told you that it's got from change in y all over change in x, which will be y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. When you come on these points of ours, A and B, these points, they have x and y. Also, point B has got value of x and y. Meaning, the first point A has x1, y1. Another point B, it has x2, y2. Then after, you come and substitute in your equation. You say that gradient, it will be y2 is -3. y1 is +2 all over x2, which is -2, minus x1 is -1. You all know that a negative times a negative becomes a positive. So, -3 minus 2, we get -5. -2 plus 1, you have -1. So, -5 divided by 1, you get 5. A negative divided by negative, you get a positive. That is our gradient. After getting the gradient, you go ahead and get C-intercept. But for you to get the C-intercept, you can use either of these 2 points. You can use point A and you also use point what? Point B. So, me, I'm going to use point A. You can also use point B, you get the same answer. Using point A as -1 and 2, and another point which we know that it is what? xy. So from this coordinate of ours, from this formula, the general equation of the line is called y equal to mx plus c. So my y has become 2. My x has become -1, because you can also use point B. M, we have got it. m is positive 5. X is negative 1. So mx means m times x. So it will be 5 times negative 1, then plus c. We aim at making c the subject of the formula, or to remain with c alone. So 2 equal to positive times a negative, get a negative. 5 times negative 1, negative 5, plus c. When I take negative 5 to this side, or when negative 5 crosses the equal sign, it will become a positive. So it will be 2 plus 5 equal to c. Because when negative 5 crosses the equal sign, it will become a positive. So 2 plus 5, we end up getting what? 7. So here now you come and say, therefore the equation is y, because in the equation there must be y and x. The equation is y equal to m. M we got it as 5. X, in your equation there must be x and y. Plus c. C we have got it 7. Plus 7. So this is our equation of the line. I want to introduce another method on how we can also get the equation of the line after getting the what? The gradient.